Hello, my name is Jean-Marc. I am a French guy living in the wonderful city of Paris. Welcome to this new video. So today we are going to talk about the power steering hose on the Jeep Grand Cherokee WJ 4.7 liter HO. So this hose is leaking, and I am going to show you how to replace the hose. Here is the baby. So okay, I hope you will be able to see. So let's try to focus. Yeah, so right here in the center you can see the yeah, I don't know how can you call this little baby right here, but let me show you now what's the problem. You know, if you pull on the hose, or if you, yeah, you see there is some play in here, and it's a little bit, you know, leaking. Yeah, you can see my finger, there is some you know, fluid. Okay, so should be, you know, quite straightforward. So I already have the new hose I'm going to show you. So I have to remove this bolt right here. Yeah, it's a bit too dark here. I'm going to show you later, but I have some plastic clamp right here, and after we're going to go under the vehicle. So here is the box. So I ordered this in Drive Auto Parts in the US, and I pay, let me focus, $51 US plus something for the tax and for the transport. So the hose cost me around $60 US, and the price here in France is nearly double, 110 euros something, so very expensive. So here is the hose with the new fitting. So you can see the O-rings, new O-rings, and yeah, so this is on the top, and for the bottom, oops, for the bottom parts, it's a bit different from the existing parts. So it's delivered with this part. There is also O-ring, and inside, yeah, not going to be very difficult to see what's inside, but there is a kind of retainer clip or something like that. And as you can see here, okay, it's a bit different. So this is going this way, and then you have to push it into the fitting, and then it should be okay, no leak. So now I'm going to remove the fluid from the reservoir. So I bought this kind of, you know, little pump right here. Yeah, yeah, seems to be working fine. Oh, what a strange noise. It's going to get messy. Okay. Wow. Well, okay, and now with this magic tool, I'm going to remove the fitting. Yeah, I hope it's going to get loose. So okay, I need my two hands, guys, so see you in a couple of minutes. Okay, I changed the tool. This one is much more convenient. I think it's nearly loose. yeah, it's loose now. Okay. Okay, some fluid is coming out, so I'm going to put some paper around here and try to avoid a big mess. Okay. Well, okay, so now the top of the hose is secure. No fluid can escape from the hose and mess around. So, okay, now we're going to remove this little plastic clip right here. So I am a left-hand guy. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Should not be a problem. Right now, so the hose is free. Oh, no light. Well, okay, you can see its plastic clip has been removed. Okay, so now we are under the car, and yeah, this little guy right here came, you know, pretty easily. So I was expecting this little guy to be a pain in the ass, but yeah, it was quite easy job. So I think lots of fluid is going to, you know, fall down. So I'm going to need my 2 hands, and I don't want to mess with my camera, so I'm going to stop filming now. Okay, but okay, you know what I'm doing already. Okay, and we are almost done. And here is the hose. Fucking hell. Okay. So now I'm going to check if the new hose is the same as the old one. So yeah, you can see both parts are, you know, will fit perfectly in. Okay. Okay, so first I have to put the fitting on the hose, and then after put everything and screw. So I'm sorry, but I do need my 2 hands to do this, so I'm going to show you after the job. Okay, so it's, yeah, almost done. So when you push, you know, the hose inside the fitting, then you hear it'll, you know, knock, and then it means that you're done. It's in place, right? In place. So there is not so much space in, and what I'm doing is not that much interesting, so I'm going to cut and see the. Okay, no, so now it's in. There is no play, so I'm going to put some fluid now on the hose, and then I'm going to test and check for any leak. Okay, so now here is the last part of the trip, so I have to put this fitting back into place. Okay, put this back in, and then screw this little baby in place. So I think I'm going to stop filming because I do need my 2 hands to. Yeah, so this guy right here was a pain in the ass, you know, to get into the fitting, yeah, because the radiator hose is, you know, I cannot have a good access, but I'm a lazy guy, so I did not remove it. So everything is in the plastic clip, so there is no play, it's tight. So now I'm going to put some fluid, the very expensive Mopar fluid that, you know, I bought. Wow, expensive, like gold, power. Yeah, power steering fluid from Mopar. So this is more expensive than gold, but anyway, apparently we don't have the choice. We only can use this very expensive fluid, and nobody wants to take the risk. So to summarize, to do this job, I've been using this 120mm. I don't know what's the name of this. So first, remove the fluid. Second, unscrew the fitting right here. Third, remove the plastic clip. 4, go under the car and then remove the fitting, remove the hose, and then reverse. Okay, now I'm going to put the fluid back. So I think, you know, there is a hair in this hose and also some hair on the circuit. So I'm going to put the car on jack stand and then move the wheel with the engine off. So then put some fluid and then the air should evacuate from here. So now I'm going to put the car on. So I hope you can hear me. So now the engine is, you know, running, and I have absolutely no leak here and also here. So I've been spinning, you know, the wheel, and then now I can see that, you know, I need to top a little bit the steering fluid. So yeah, there was no, you know, no noise when I was turning the wheel. Wow, what a beautiful interior with the light. As you can see, there is, you know, no noise, nothing. Okay, listen to this.